2023 Lamborghini Invencible pays tribute to masterpieces of Lamborghini design. This Sesto Elemento, homage to lightness and motorsport characterized by a large rear wing with Revention with its unique aeronautical style, and the Veneno, which takes the quest for aerodynamic perfection to an extreme. The car shares the same carbon fiber monocoque from the Aventador, produced in Sant'Agata in Bolognese, along with full carbon bodywork that incorporates design and technology successfully tested by Lamborghini in motorsport. The hexagon, a well-known motif of modern Lamborghini design, is integrated harmoniously yet conspicuously into the distinctive visual elements of the car, starting with a striking front and rear light assembly highlighted by innovative hexagonal LED running lights. The interior of the Invencible is dominated by clean lines with a minimalist dashboard enhanced by a hexagonal 3D printed air vents and no instrumentation on the console to underline the lightness of the cabin and focus attention on pure driving enjoyment. The cockpit itself is framed in carbon fiber with a digital readout featuring dedicated graphics for each car. The Invencible is characterized by a subtle contrast between the dominant shade of red and the carbon look elements enhanced by red flakes. The Rosso e Festo bodywork is complemented by sills and door frames in carbon, just like the brake calipers in Rosso Mars, which sit behind single nut wheels with carbon fiber fairings to ventilate the brake assembly. On the classic scissor doors, there are two prominent hexagonal tricolors, a tribute to the Italian flag that is echoed on the door linings as well as on the steering wheel. The Invencible and Authentica are the very last cars to be produced by Lamborghini equipped with a 12-cylinder 615-1 engine mounted longitudinally in the rear before the transition to a hybrid era. The Lamborghini VTOL powertrain delivers 780 CV and a maximum of 720 Nm of torque at 6,750 RPM, made with a 7-speed ISR gearbox, 4-wheel drive, and the Lamborghini dynamic steering system that controls all 4 wheels.